Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. So today I'm doing something really quite special. About 2 months ago I did a video on powder coating. So I purchased myself some kit and did my own sort of DIY guide to how I can powder coat using some kit from Electrostatic Magic. Now they actually saw that video and they reached out to me, and as a result of that conversation they've sent me out a complete free powder coating kit. At the end of this video I'll give you instructions of exactly how you can win it. So if you're looking to turn rusty objects into nice shiny powder coated objects like this, then please stay tuned. This is the video for you. So what am I giving away and what are you getting in the kit? So the first thing to show you is you're going to be getting some powder coat. Now this is a gloss black and there's about half a kilo there, so a fair amount actually. That will go quite a long way. It will certainly get you started. A couple of bottles, I'm not going to try and juggle. A couple of bottles which you can then store your powder in. Now, it's really important to make sure that the powder is properly stored, because any contaminants that you get in the powder is obviously going to affect your finish. So having the ability to put it in these bottles and store it is really nice. So you could have one maybe for your gloss black and one for satin black, or whichever colours you choose. There's plenty of colours available on the website actually, and the delivery is really quick, so that's amazing. You get the gun. Now there's magic that happens in this tube which I clearly still don't understand how it does, but what I think it's doing is it's charging the atoms of the powder, which is attracting it statically negatively to the part, or it could be positively, I don't know. Either way, it's a static process that actually occurs. To allow you to actually connect your part, there's a ground strap which hooks onto the gun, or you can ground yourself and then hold the actual rack itself or whatever it is the part is suspended on. Plus you also get a moisture trap here for your airline. Compressor wise, now you don't really need a big powerful compressor to do this. I've got a 50 litre compressor and I've got it way down to barely blowing out, and you just kind of see the powder just kind of trickle out the end of the gun, and that's kind of how you want it. You don't want to be over flooding everything with powder coat. You just want it to be localized to your area. So do watch that video. It's actually quite informative and it gives you an idea of how to do it, but not a lot of air pressure is required, so you will need some kind of regulator on your compressor to be able to bring that PSI right down to the required amount. There is a full set of instructions here which will guide you through it. So that's the kit. That's what I'm actually giving away. So I'd like to thank Electrostatic Magic for sending out this equipment and giving me the opportunity to do this giveaway. It really means a lot to me to be able to actually give back to the people that watch my content. So thank you very much for doing that. Now in addition to this, there's also going to be 15 runner-up prizes of a 15% discount on the website for the gun kit itself. So that's not to be sniffed at. So 15 of you will also get a runners-up prize. In a moment I will be showing exactly how the competition is going to run, the terms and conditions that apply to the competition, because there's some very strict ones that I have to follow when I do this, and give you the information of exactly how you can win this amazing piece of equipment. Once again, thanks a lot Electrostatic Magic. It really means a lot to be able to do this. Okay, so how do you enter the competition? What I'd like you to do is to go to the comments section of this video and put in the comments powder space and the number 1. That's all it is, powder 1 into the comments. That will entitle you to a free entry into this draw. Now I will say you have to be over 18. There's a full list of terms and conditions in the description of this video, so please do have a good look at those. I also want to make sure that this giveaway is not endorsed, sponsored or administered by YouTube. It is solely something that I'm doing in conjunction with Electrostatic Magic. So by putting in the description powder 1, that enters you into this draw to win this product. Also 15 of you, as I said before, will be runners up with a 15% discount. So today being Saturday the 14th, I'm going to run this for a calendar week. So Saturday the 21st is when the competition closes, and that will be midday. Then shortly after that, I'll do another little video where I'll show the draw of the winner, which is using a sort of content picker to allow that to happen. Then once the winner's announced, you'll then have 72 hours to email me back with your intent to claim the prize. At that point, I will then send you back a unique code, which I would then like you to post back onto your original comment. This way I can actually authenticate you as a genuine user. Now, I do apologise to have to go to those lengths, but I just want to make sure that I'm being absolutely transparent and fair, and this way I can authenticate the winner correctly. So I do hope that all makes sense. Please do look at those terms and conditions. Due to the cost of the unit to send out, I'm actually restricting this to the UK only. You do need to be 18 to actually enter the competition, and as I said, you'll be the winner will be then picked shortly after the closing day. I do hope that all makes absolute sense and is as transparent as I can make it. So all I need to do now is just to wish you luck, and I can't wait in a week or so to be able to announce the winner, plus also the 15 runners up. That's going to be quite good fun. If you like the content, give it a thumbs up. Please be sure to share this video with as many people as you can, so I can sort of gain some interest in it. I mean, what powder coating or Electrostatic Magic are doing here is actually a really, really cool thing, and it's been an absolute pleasure to be able to offer this out to you all. So if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more content like this, then consider subscribing. Got some nice cool projects coming up in the next few months, and yeah, it would be nice to have you all along for the ride. So consider subscribing. It really helps the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.